Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this quick video, I will show you how to switch accounts on Roblox in under a minute. Let's go. First open the Roblox app. Tap on the three dots menu at the bottom right corner on your phone. Then scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Then tap on switch accounts. Click on your another Roblox account. That's it. You are now logged into your other Roblox account and you can repeat this anytime if you want to switch back. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe.